Hey guys, N063 here, and welcome back to Kerbal Space program. Now you may be wondering why welcome back, because I have not done KSP before. Well, actually I have. In version 0.19, when Kerbal Space program was made multi-platform, I got my version for Linux, which is what I use, and I was really happy. I posted a video about it and then completely did something else and never came back to it. So I have a playlist on my channel with one lonely KSP video, and I felt that it was time to do something about that. So welcome back to KSP. As you can see, Jab here is happy and waiting for us to do something, so let's go and do it. And to start off with, I'm going to start a new save, which is going to be gold. What else? Single, and I'm going to get my own flag, which I added beforehand. And I'm going to play career mode. So start. And of course, when you start off in career mode, you can't do anything, which is pretty much like back in 0.13 or something when I first started playing it. You can't do anything except just go to Kerbin and the moon back then. There's a lot more right now, but we'll get to that eventually. But first I want to get some science to get any more stuff than just these components, because I think I don't even have a decoupler. Okay. Wow. Sure. Okay. I don't even have a decoupler, so let's first get a decoupler. I'll just launch Jeb in nothing more than a capsule. Smooth jazz in the VAB, always good. Okay. Jeb, get me some science. Give me a crew report. 1.5 science for being on the launch pad. Good enough for me. Okay, let go, let go. Thank you. Give me an EVA report. This is all just, quick stuff. I'm doing the science here so that I can... Oh, don't forget to put that back in the capsule. I'm getting quick science here so that I can get the stuff I need for actual orbital flights. So if I'm doing this really quickly and you have no idea what's going on, allow me to explain. Kerbal Space program, since its inception, has changed a bit, and now if you go into career mode, you basically start off with the parts I just showed you. There's not a lot of them, and I will take a surface sample, thank you very much. And if you want more parts, you need to unlock them. I will show you where to do that later, but right now I don't have any access to more advanced parts, bigger rockets and that sort of stuff, so I'm kind of stuck here until I can get access to those parts. And you do that by doing science. And yay science. All the science is contained in this little command pod right now. You can have your Kerbals collect science, or you can have instruments on your rockets or machines or whatever that can collect scientific data for you, and then you can trade that in for points, so to speak, science points. So I just told Jeb here to give me a crew report, and he did so, and that's going to give me some science. The amount of science is shown when you do a specific thing. So let's review the report. This crew report from the launchpad will give me 1.5 science. Not that much, but then it's not really that interesting, and it's very easy to do. And if you recover, like so, then you get all the science. And it's pretty much a currency, you could say. There's no money, everything's based on science and scientific value. So I have the crew report that I just did from the launchpad, the surface sample from the launchpad itself, a surface sample from the grass around the launchpad, and an EVA report. Which, well, he just walked around a bit, basically. And this is where you spend your points. So right now I have this, which is just a few basic parts that you always start with. And I can get this one, which gives me a stack decoupler and a science unit. A mystery goo is a scientific thingamabob, and a few fuel tanks. And this cost me 5 science. I have 21, so I can get it immediately. What else is there to it? Well, yeah, I guess I can get, yeah, for 15 science I can get another one, which gives me another engine, some landing struts, and a better parachute, so that's always good. And so this is basically where you build up your tech tree. You get science from flying around and getting data from everywhere. Then you spend it here, and this is where you can see what kind of scientific things you have gotten and which ones you still need to do. So right now I have 1 crew report. Apparently there's 4 possible crew reports. I only have 1. There is the same goes for EVA reports. There's 4 that I can do, and I only have 1. And there's 4 surface samples. I have 1, and that's it. And these are of course all the places you can go. So I might want to show you that, not here, but in the actual thing here. There we go, the tracking station. So yeah, you start off here, Kerbin, and let's see, where's the KSC? Is here somewhere. Ah, here. KSC is right here on this little peninsula, I guess, here. And this is the Kerbin system, your home planet. There's 2 moons to land on. Then when you zoom out, there's all sorts of stuff that we'll get into later. And there's several more planets to go to. Moho, which is the Mercury equivalent. Eve, the Venus equivalent. Kerbin itself, which is, well, akin to Earth. Duna, that's kind of like Mars. It sort of looks like Mars, except for it has giant ice caps, which I don't think Mars has. Looks pretty cool though, and I haven't ever been here, so I need to go here too. And unlike Mars, I don't know. Does Mars have a moon? Okay, well, if you know if Mars has a moon, let me know. Anyways, regardless, Duna does have a moon, and it's called Ike, and it's right here. And zooming back out, there is the Jupiter equivalent called Joule, from Julian, which has a ton of moons to go to. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 moons. Paul, Bob, where is it? Tylo, Fall, and Lathe. And I believe that Lathe, actually, this moon actually has, yeah, you can sort of see it. The edge of it is lit up. Unlike, say, if you go to, I don't know, Tylo. Tylo is basically just a ball, right? You can see here that it's basically just all the same color. Tylo, oh sorry, not Tylo, Lathe. Lathe isn't. Lathe has an atmosphere around it. So that means that you can, in this case, it also has an atmosphere with oxygen in it, so you can actually use airplanes here. You can fly around on Lathe in airplanes. Of course, you have to get them there first, so it's not easy, but you can do it. Joule itself is a gas giant, and you cannot land on it. You can crash into it, I guess, but you can't do anything but crash into it. And then the final one, which was added, I think 2 patches ago or something, point 18, I think it was added, is Elu, which is on a very eccentric orbit, and it's pretty much just a ball of ice, because it goes out so far that wow, I mean, the sun is there. That's how big the sun is from Elu right now. And if you go to, let's see, if I can see Mimbus from here, and that means I can see Kerbin. That's how big the sun is around Kerbin. So that's the difference. Elu, no, that's Jules, moons. Can I see it from here? That's a star. That's Duna, Gilly, Ike, Paul. I guess I can't, but yeah, that's the difference in going out to Elu, and that's very difficult. I haven't ever done it yet, so that's a challenge. So let's go back and get some actual science. What else is there? Yeah, I have a spaceplane hangar, but I don't have any parts, so I can't really do anything with it. But I do have some new parts for the VIB, which I think includes a stacking compartment. Nice! I will take you, and I will use you. And I also have some science stuff, right? No, that's not science, this is science. Yeah. I will take 2 mystery goo units with me. And then I want a fuel tank. I'm going to go for... Let's see, do I want to go suborbital or orbital first? Well, orbital would be cool, but I don't think I'm going to make it. let's just go. Let's play it safe insofar as you can do that in Kerbal Space program and go suborbital. Going to put a parachute on. Oh, okay, not quite like that. Just one will do. Yeah. Don't need landing struts, I'm fine. Suborbital does mean I'm going to need more than one stage. Oh, wait, no. First an engine and then the decoupler. Otherwise I'm not going to go anywhere. Okay, and then first stage is just tons and tons of fuel. So fuel, fuel, come on, more fuel, engine, done. Oh, I guess that's it. Okay, so this is the suborbital hope, because we hope to be at least going suborbital. I hope. Save this. I don't need boosters. No, I'm fine. Maybe I do want a little more fuel here. Let's add a quarter tank. Not much, just a little. I don't want to add much weight. Okay. Let's see. And who is in the driving seat? Jeb. No, you went on EVA. Bill. You can do the flying for this one. Okay. And save and launch. Let's see if we can get into space at least. I want to at least get into space. Okay, so if I do a crew report now, are you still on the launch pad? Yes. Okay, so there's no point in doing that now. Okay, so SAS on so that we stay upright. Oh, make sure that the staging is correct. Okay, this is good. This isn't. You need to be there. Yes, I'm glad I caught that. So you first, then you two for the second stage, then just the pod, and then land it. Okay. Actually, this. Yeah. Okay. Just to be sure that it is actually the parachute and not something else that looks like a parachute and highlights it. Yeah. Whatever. Let's just go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Off we go then. Nice gentle lift off. Let's do our first science here. Observe the goo. I will, while flying at Kerbin, it jiggles and wobbles as the craft flies. Save that. Thank you. And can you now do a crew report? Is it different? It is. We're flying over the shores. I will keep that data. So yeah, going up at a gentle pace. Nothing spectacular, but it works. So there's all sorts of things we have to do. We have to go to these mountains, but I'm going to need planes for that. It's going to be impossible to do that in a rocket. And these planes are something that I need to go. We have something from the shores, but there's an island there, which is kind of, you can almost see it here. There's sort of a strip there. That's something somewhere we need to go. And then of course the moon. We need to go to the moon. And Mimas, but I don't think it's visible from here. No, probably not. Let's see, how high am I up? Not that high. But it is about time to do a little bit of a gravity turn. Right about... No. Go north. Go north. I think. Nope, that's too far north. You know what? Just go. Yeah, stay there. Good. Because I'm about to run out of fuel. Actually, and just as I said it, I ran out of fuel. Let's see, where are we going? 30 kilometers up. That's not nearly enough. I'm going to have to go further. Oh, wow, why am I so far south? Oh, I am so far south because of stuff I'm carrying, which is the parachute. Ah, that's why. Oh, hello, stars. Fancy seeing you here. Whoa, okay, wow. Okay, not paying attention much. Okay, I guess we did make it into space. 174 kilometers up is definitely, that definitely counts as in space. Okay, so yeah, we definitely made that. And let's see, 65, to cue the music in 2, 1, ta-da! There we go. 70 kilometers, that's in space. So let's get our science done. Observe the goo. The goo seems to have clumped into a sphere, and it also appears to have become brittle. While in space near Kerbin, I'll take that for 10 science, thank you very much. Can I get a crew report? Yeah, I'll override it, sure. Ooh, for 5 science, we are in space. And the sky is below, which is right. And finally, which is all the science we can do for now, you can go on EVA and do reports. For 8 science, we are in space just above Kerbin's water. Oh yeah, we are above water. Will we get above land too? Yeah, we might at the end, but I don't think that we can report on that. Can you board, please? Thank you. Maybe I can make it so that we can at least do a crew report above this bit of land here. If I can just extend my orbit enough. Oh, and I definitely... Whoa. Okay, yeah, I can extend the orbit enough. That's not a problem. 183 kilometers up. Slightly overdoing it on the orbit, but whatever. How much fuel do I have? Hardly any. I might as well just burn it all then. 180, 190. Yeah, I'm not quite fast enough for an orbit, but I'm definitely going to make it to the land there. Which is cool, because then we can do another EVA report. So let's speed up a bit until we get there. 10 times, 50 times. Yeah, right about here. Seems about right. Can you do an EVA report above grasslands? Yes, I will take that for another 8 science. Thank you very much. Maybe this thing will count as mountains. Let's see if I can try that right about here. Is that mountains? Highlands? No. Ooh, well, highlands is good. I'll take that. That's more science. Okay, so it's not mountains, but it is highlands. Actually, let's give it another go just to be sure. No, that's grasslands again. Okay. Yeah, bored anyway. I already had that science experiment, so yeah, whatever. Okay, let's turn this up here around. Oh, not that much though, because we're actually dropping like a brick right about now. Dropping like a stone. And no, I'm not in the atmosphere yet. Let's wait until I get to the atmosphere to dump the rocket. 80 kilometers. Getting close. Ah, isn't that pretty? Screenshots. Nice. Where's the moon? Where's the moon? Ooh, the moon is up there. That's not an easy angle to get a screenshot for. No, never mind. Ooh, we might actually get into a sunset. I'm at 58 kilometers. I'm in the atmosphere, so let's dump the other stage. Turn off the SAS. I don't really need it right now. Let's prepare for this sunset. Which, no, stop turning. But, you know, actually, I'll turn the SAS on. Fine. So let's get a. What am I doing? Oh, no! Oh, this is going to be great. Yes, a fiery capsule in a night sky. Screenshot. Turn off these. Oh. Okay. Screenshots. That might be the last time I get to see Bill. Wow, he's going really fast. Actually, speaking of which, I need to use the parachute. Okay, let's recenter the view. Oh, whoa! Oh, wow, that was that was really close. Oh, damn it! Oh, sorry. Oh, wow, that almost hit me. Ah, ouch! I'm glad that didn't hit me. Oh, stop hitting shift. I know it's just a pod. It's not a large ship. Just do it. Time warp. Sploosh. Thank you. And we're at 500 meters going down at a leisurely 6 meters per second, which is actually still pretty fast. Okay. You'd be hard put to walk 6 meters a second. Definitely. Almost there. Come on. Can I make him do it? Ooh, I've never tried that, actually. While we're here, EVA report. Get in. That was pretty risky, but okay. No, what I wanted to do is, can I get you to EVA again and let go? Because you should be able to swim, right? Yeah. Okay. Can you take a surface sample of the water? You can! Nice! It dramatically increases the surface humidity of anything it touches, really? How surprising. That's cool, I didn't know you could actually get a surface sample of water. Okay, more science for me, I'll take it. Let's grab this and get back in. Cool, that's two more science samples. Okay, let's recover and see what we got. Wow, I never knew that. I've never tried that before. 76 sciences. Holy. Okay, recovery of a vessel is 8. What were the big ones? The mystery goo in space was 10. The surface sample of water was 12. Wow, that's a lot. We've a report above water, grasslands and highlands are 24 together. Oh, actually you can apparently drag the entire screen. Crew report while in space, no currents, only 5. Is anything worth less? Yeah, this one's only worth... Oh, it's only worth 0.4, but it was worth 30, so I still got 12 out of it. Nice. Okay, so 76, actually 74.8, but still we have 76 science. That's a lot of science. Let's see what we can get with that. This is 40. Ooh, that's expensive. 45, but it does give me the Science Junior and a comms and a battery, which the battery is really useful. Well, actually the Science Junior as well, but it's expensive. That gives me my first probe, reaction wheel. No, I think I want the new engine. You don't really need the Separatron or the booster, right? No. Let's get this and see what else we get from it. A new fuel tank, that's good. Ah, struts. Ooh, and the stack coupler. Ooh, yeah, I think I want this one. Let's see, how much do I have? 56, so that's 45 and 11. Yeah, I cannot spend 11 on anything, so I'm going to have to choose a 45. So science, which means more science, or fuel, or struts, launch stability, clamps, decouplers, and well, actually this one, it has to be this. Come on, research. What does that give us? Fuel lines, yes. RCS, yes. And what's this? A Rockomax 487S. I don't know what that is. Okay. And this is, ooh, a big fuel tank and 2-meter parts. Nice. And this is all air stuff. Excuse me, which I'm probably not going to touch. Nice, that looks good. But I'm mostly happy about this and, well, actually all 4 of these. Especially having struts. Struts is great. Cool. Okay, well guys, that was my first suborbital flight. The next flight is going to be orbital, I just know it. If you know, I don't crash or explode or anything like that. But if I don't, then it's going to be orbital. So I will see you in the next episode when we're going to go for our very first actual orbital flight. On camera. Because I've done it off camera, but not on camera. It's going to be on camera. So I'll see you then. Bye bye.